Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the flavors of the month for August. So the flavors of the month comes out every month. It includes 4 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also get lots of freebies. So the first one is a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up when you're unpacking your box or when you're creating. You'll also have access to a free exclusive cut file. This month is this I Like You a Latte title with the latte cup and the florals. Super cute. You can put that together or use them separately. You also have access to 4 recipe cards. So these are double page layouts designed by the design team, one for each one of the collections. They'll give you their cutting and assembly instructions so you can create right along with them. There's also lots of inspiration over on the Facebook group and the blog and challenges, so be sure to check that out. So this month our 4 collections are Coffee Shop from Cartabella, Be Happy from Doodlebug, Echo Park Summer Break, and Simple Stories Woodlands. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything in your kit this month. So our first collection we're going to look at is Coffee Shop from Cartabella. We're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one with the top shot of all of the coffee mugs and their designs. The back is a kind of geometric design. This paper is called Lovely Lattes. Then we have this one with all of the coffee cups and the pretty patterned papers. The back is another geo design in it's kind of like a dark charcoal, a little bit tint of blue. This paper is called Coffee to Go. And then we have this paper that has all of the different icons for coffee. So we have the cups, the stoves, the little cake pops, super cute. The back is a green and white stripe. So that paper is called Let's Make Coffee. One more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have that striped border here and then a large scallop to this gorgeous florals. We have a banner and you can see all of the lovely icons for all of the coffee. I love it. I love this little cup here too as well. So popular. So that is Coffee Shop from Cartabella. Our next collection is Be Happy from Doodlebug. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one with the florals and the little bee. Super cute on the green. The back is a 2-toned yellow honeycomb print. We have this paper, Sweet as Honey, which is polka dots in all of the colors from this collection. And the other side is this cut apart. We have tags, we have 4x4s, and all of these border strips. Super cute. This paper is called Beautiful. We have the florals on the black background, and then we have little white florals on green. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the die cuts and some of the puffy stickers. So all of the embellishments will vary, but you'll get something really similar to that. So that is Be Happy from Doodlebug. Our next collection is Summer Break from Echo Park. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This pattern paper here, which has the marquee words and lots of other title, subtitle ideas here, and then all of the icons intermingled in. The back is a 2-toned red lightning bolt, and this paper is called Summer State of Mind. And then we have a 3x4 cut apart, lots of fun. You could fussy cut some of these images out for embellishments. And the back is a great stripe. We have this paper here with the roller skates and the stars. And the back is a turquoise polka dot, and that paper is called Roller Rink Rides. So that is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets. So these will vary. I got some borders and then this one that has some icons and words. You're also going to get some brads. So these are super cute. Those will vary as well. So that is Summer Break from Echo Park. Our next collection from Simple Stories is the Simple Vintage Woodlands, and this is just gorgeous. If you love their Simple Vintage collections and you like something a little outdoorsy, you're going to love this. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of quicksand, and I need to say, because I film so early from when all the product is in and when it ships. Sometimes there are substitutes to the brand or the color of cardstock, but you'll always receive the same color. The name just might be different or something, or the brand might be different, but it will be the same color. Your pattern paper is this one called View From Here, and it's this gorgeous wood grain with the foliage on the corners. Whoops, missed an embellishment there. The back is the layered ephemera pieces, so cute, from all the different books and tickets. This one's Time to Unplug with these gorgeous mushrooms and that bright red and the green. The back is a plaid. We have this paper called Hello Nature. We get a glimpse of all the different critters that you're going to see in this collection. Super cute on that dark brown background. And the back is a green polka dot. So one more look at the pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get several different types of embellishments. You're going to get some of the foam stickers. Sorry about that. You're going to get some brads, and then you're going to get some of the bits, the mixture of bits and ephemera pieces. So you can see here. So all of your embellishments will vary, but this is very similar to what you will get. That is the Woodlands from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons that we have available. You can add on more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. You can also add on the Shots of Life, and it will give you more pattern paper and embellishments that coordinate as well. Check out the Facebook group and the blog. Lots of challenges, prizes, inspiration to get you excited about using your kits. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.